Too many people think they're the shit, but they don't do shit for the world today. They just talk real slick, think they can get away. Wine and camembert line up to get a meal, never staring to the eyes of the poor, cause you might just feel it. Sympathy, invisible chokehold you can't ignore by law. You don't have to share, but behind it all you could possibly care. What the frosting, the tips you go hear there. That's the cost of living for scarecrow kids, and I don't mean give to. Just any go bigger, especially the young ones physically fit up. Mental diseases, greed, their number one killer. But they're too busy trying to drown out, feel it and marinate. To hear what a dumb rap has to say. Shit go easy, don't get ahead, it gets south inside, it gets swank, it get fake. Cause I'm born and raised in the ways of the dragon. Sitting Newton, fuck high fashion. Sorry, it just can't stand when people are condescending. Cause they close a brand. There's nothing worse than a man who thinks he's the man. Nothing worse than a lady who's super bad, so she acts like a bitch. Shame on you, get a heart disease and don't worry about me. I've been testing my boy and seeing the seas of the dead. Reason you led to the bottom, feed from the problem. Ill got in games like missing teeth, and we each got a closet passion over fashion. Who's got the most precious blood? Arrested on suspicion of unconditional love. Son of a mother who showed him the ropes of the heart. Reason I can't turn my back off, run up and face the attack of the demon. Spinning back fast, I connect it. Oh no! Tell him don't come around here no more. Keep a clean conscience, fear no door. And keep the pedal to the metal like a chassis, the one we've been training for. Make it count or get against the wall. Make it how you wanna make it stick and fuck 'em all, fuck 'em all. We came to ball, nothing less. So take a sip, let me know what you think of this the shit. Downfall, media insane. We be getting greedy by the day. Cause black sheep are all a rave now. Black sheep are all a rave now. Black sheep are all a rave now. They don't want it the same.
Oh no!
Black sheep are all a rave now. Black sheep are all a rave now. Black sheep are all a rave now. They don't want it the same.
Silk on the move, grab on this microphone like I got nothing else better to do. Out of the crew, yeah, I be that dude. There isn't on much, but could light up a room. Never really rhyming at the drop of a hat, but when I do want a cipher, what? Live wire, fire igniter, get it so hot that it give you a 10. Even in the middle of the winter time when everybody got a heater on, no need, my team spit gasoline, kerosene mixed with F-gas, it's YGB. Twist words like the end of joints and then light them up like we like that mic. No need to believe the hype, they gon' look at us like we ain't that nice. Haters, fall back, never really got time for any of that shit. Got time to spit a few facts, but that's it. I read it with a cold, so I guess the flow's sick. No need for the names of the games, no need for the crown, no need for the throne, no need for the gold. All I want is the time and a little bit of space. I see where this shit takes me. Sat on the fence for long enough now, hop down, turned around and kicked the fence down. Jumped on the track like a train, full noise with the boys like kids at a rave. No MDMA, just biz and a blaze, don't play with the team rain on your parade. Impact of a truck in the ram raid, Louis Silk team dynamite all day.
Make it count or get against the wall. Make it how you wanna make it stick and fuck 'em all, fuck 'em all. We came to ball, nothing less. So take a sip, let me know what you think of this the shit. Downfall, media insane. We be getting greedy by the day. Cause black sheep are all a rave now. Black sheep are all a rave now. Black sheep are all a rave now. They don't want it the same. Black sheep are all a rave now. Black sheep are all a rave
fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns. I they came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got a bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background, I'm a black man with the bloodhounds. Mac 10 making love sounds to a bad chick. She from uptown, no from down south, not a loudmouth. We could fuck around. Hit the music, baby, cut it down. Hit a doobie while you do me indubitably. I feel like I'm a bust now. I feel like a bust down. When I shine bright, blind niggas is up now. In the cut, big black truck pack sacked up. You can pick it up now, nigga. Fuck it, okay. Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns.
I know I can't afford to stop for one moment. That it's too soon to fall.
Me and my money attached emotionally. I get the clutching if you get too close to me. I'm at the top where I'm supposed to be. Jumping in the gang, niggas act like they coaching me. 400 rats ain't shit but a show to me. I'm on the road and I bet that you'll hold with me. When I'm in traffic, it's always a pole with me. Pillsbury, man, I keep door with me. Hit from the back, she giving me slurp, and I ain't even pull my pants down. Jump in the box and slide to the other side, it's always a man down. Draw down, hands in the air, nigga make one move, get gunned down. Giving out smoke so long, they don't even wanna talk no more, they just run down. No lock doors, I serve with a chop. Bitch got spent, she was hanging with a op. We call him Mickey, talk to the cops. I was on Pinedale, glass in the sock. Back in the day, I invest in the block. Fast forward now, I'm investing in stock. I put a drum on the heckling couch, don't play cause I'm very invested in shots.
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Get the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussycat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns.
Put the pussycat in his face cause he stay out just a breeze. Then I took it back, now he said that he's shaking and he's shivering. Like the way it tastes and he ain't ate it in a minute. They call me a baby but I still got hella shit.
Oh shit, run that motherfucking crown, you bitch. You motherfucking bitch. Shit. Sorry in advance for my bros, they'll whip a nigga ass, what you whipping up? Shit in the back, if you looking for the dope, niggas got it in the bag, cause we trapping on the low. And I'm the shit with the flow. Give me a joke. Heard the nigga say that you the next, no, I'm the best. Tell them bitches stop the motherfucking press stop. Fuck a top 5 list, get him a vest, he get lopsided. Fuck the cops, we was running from Rottweilers. Most of my partners ain't had papa, just a pop condom. Couple kids with Alzheimer's, 40 on his side. Boy, you might all stop, he on the block violent. Robbing niggas in the hood and then swap genres. Green light, line a nigga up, stop sign him. Keep driving, you will not find him. I'm an anomaly. I turned into a rap ironically and ran the back up, niggas is on me. Niggas should honor me. If you think I'm a wannabe, it's pretty comedy. I'm melancholy and cool, so calmly busting moves. My troops carry velocity. Same posse since Osh Posh Bagosh pussy clock. Treat the rapping like a pushing rock. On the stove with the Pyrex pot, the door stay locked. It don't say knock. We on they block, we on they block. It's Monopoly games, we stole they properties. Smooth talking and moonwalking, the same little nigga. Small pun but a pool shark. I aim big stick, knock chalk off cue balls. Bang this shit.
Come fly with me, let's fly away. If you can use some exotic booze, there's a bar in far Bombay. Come on and fly with me, let's fly away.